I'm kind of nervous. I can't tighten it anymore. I guess we're just gonna have to cross our fingers and hope it works. So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Hello, rockers. It's Kate from KatyDid. Today I have a special treat for you. We are going to cut a 28-pound agatized stump with my trusty slab saw here. First I will show you how I found it. Then I will show you the whole process of trying to figure out how to cut it. And then finally we will show you the finished piece. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and join us for much more rocky fun. Come along. Okay, so I'm probably not going to haul this out because it is very, very large. Oh my gosh, it's so big. But it's also so cool. It's basically a petrified stump. Oh, look at the size of this thing. Oh yeah, no, that's coming home with me. I don't know how I'm going to get it there, but that is definitely coming home with me. Okay, some of you might remember when I found this big baby, and it is a huge chunk of agatized wood. It is more than 28 pounds, 28.4 or something like that. And it is far and away the largest rock I've ever tried to slice. But we are going to put it into the saw, and what I'm going to try to do is trim the bottom of it because it doesn't sit flat. So I'm going to try to trim the bottom of it so that I can have a big stump that's just sitting there. And so what I need to do is put it in here and then trim the bottom so that it is a flat stump. And yeah, and we have to make sure that it'll sit right. So it'll have to go like that, I guess. So I already had made this saw as big as it can get, so now I know how big the biggest one is, and the biggest piece of wood I can get in there, a piece of rock. It's so big. I'm gonna totally take the chain off and just let it run, because I think that it's gonna take the entire width of the saw blade here to do it. What I'm doing right now is just trying to tighten it in there. If you get a little closer here, you can see here how it's got this beautiful agate stuff. And I'm not going to be able to slab this like the whole thing because this is higher than the saw blade, but I can cut over here where I can cut it so that I can have it sitting nice. So this is the most exciting part, is just tightening it up. Usually it takes forever because you have to wiggle it and then you have to tighten it again. And you have to wiggle it because you do not want it to do that. Or tightening to do. I just went out and got some wedges from the garage because this actually, it was kind of sitting on two little points and then it would rotate like this. And if you can imagine 28 pounds rotating is not a good idea. So we're trying to tighten this. Actually, Jim, maybe you can tighten it because your hands are stronger than mine.
Try that.
See how much stronger he is than me? All right. Now, we have figured out where this is going to be. I'm adjusting the cutting here. So what I want to do is cut this off. And I'm not going to cut it all in one piece. I'm actually going to take little slices so I do get some slabs from this piece. But ultimately, I think I want to leave it as whole as I can possibly have it and still have it be displayable. I might take it and polish it or something like that, but I don't really want to. It's just such an amazing, awesome piece. I don't want to cut it up. So, oh, this thing's like, this is so heavy. Are you sure you want to do this? There's two big steel rods that go right through here. Anyway, I asked around with rock hounds who should know because they do a lot of slabbing. And I was told that as long as it fits on the saw, it's fine. It doesn't matter how heavy it is. I'm sure there's some limit to that, like if I were trying to slab lead or something, but anyway, it fits, it's on there. I have the first cut lined up, I think. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. I can't tighten it anymore. I guess we're just gonna have to cross our fingers and hope it works. We've got the bottom cut off of this now. We took 3 little slabs. There is a little bit of a knob where the saw blade stopped and the rock broke off, and I don't know if that's going to affect how it sits or not. We're going to take it out of here, and we're going to set it up on the top of the saw. This is where we do the curls. Yeah, that looks pretty good, don't you think? Look at how pretty that is. It's a little bit oily at the moment, but so pretty. My 28-pound stump is probably now a 27-pound stump. I am going to flatten off the bottom, maybe put some felt or something on it so it doesn't scratch anything. And now I have an agatized stump. What am I going to do with it? I don't know. Thank you very much for watching. This is Kate from KatyDid. Keep on doing. So,
wait.
Tell me action.
Okay, action.
Now?
Now, go. Speak. It was going. I don't know. Okay, well, it's going now.
Okay.
Action.
Good job. Okay. Are we actioning?
Oh, action.
There you go. We need like one of those little card things. Hi, everybody. It's Kate. Oh, no, wait. Hello, rockers. It's Kate from Katy. No, that's stupid.